Before this video starts, I should probably mention that this video contains spoilers for the genocide route of a little game known as Undertale Yellow. If you have not played the genocide route, or at least given into watching someone else play it, then do that first, because I will be spoiling, the final boss fight of Undertale Yellow, genocide route. So if you do not want to see that, then don't watch this video, unless the thumbnail already spoiled you, which, fair enough, I guess. Oh shit, actually, one more thing. My, brother, Bread Overloaf, appears in this video, but the thing is, his Discord is halfway to destroying the universe with its audio malfunctioning, so you'll barely notice him, but he'll appear every now and again, so just don't be jump scared by that second voice. That's just Bread. Oh, also, this was recorded at like 3 in the morning. What is wrong with me? Imagine if I first tried here. That would look so rigged. So 4, that's not... Nope, that would overheal me. Oh yeah. It's not actual Undertale. It's under her tail. Y'all ever read Under Her Tail? Ah ha 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 ha! Again! Ah! I hit the wrong button. Dash. No! A bowling ball fucking fell on me like a cartoon character. I just went, bleh. It fucking fell on me and I went, bleh. If we have like an hour's worth of footage, I'm making this into a full-on fucking compilation, honestly. I swear to God. Like, check the time. If I have an hour of footage, we are getting a full compilation.
There's 3, actually.
Damn. That is probably the most impressive damage list I've done so far, given how many fucking charge attacks I ended up getting off. Love this bird. That fucking bird that I love and care for. I can't help but feel like these claw hitboxes are a bit janky.
Well, I honestly have no clue about the classes.
Okay, go down, and then heal with my cupcake, and then I just have to make it from there. Dude, no. I'm gonna die. I know I'm gonna die. No!
Oh, that was so close.
Okay.
No.
Marrlet, I don't know what you got, but I think it's contagious. I think I'm getting sick. Ooh, fucking difficult video game. Oh, okay. I guess I'm not playing this attempt. Honestly, fucking just my brain don't work. I'm getting to like the zone where I'm like loopy enough to fucking talk constantly. So you're either gonna get lock in or lock out mode, and I don't get to choose when fuck. Dude. Actual, like, head in my hands upset at that one. You having fun? Good. What would you like to do? Great! This fight also goes insanely hard, but, you know, I currently cannot appreciate it because of how much I'm focused on fucking killing this bird. Bird up, more like bird down. Lol. Wait, hold on. Okay. I'll be real, I got no idea how this attack works. And I have no idea where to even start learning. Oh, okay. Woo, okay. Yo! Oh, let's go! Fucking die! Yeah! Still up, Brad? Out. It's Kujin! Hi! One cup of joe for the boss, extra caffeinated. I haven't had to voice this guy yet. Is that my title now? It's not like I pay you to help me. Oh? See these drinks? Marrlet, you really should pay that tab soon. The list is getting long. Oh, I meant to tell you. We'll probably have to cut back on our hangouts soon. I finally gave in to peer pressure and got a job. Really? What good news? I don't see it that way. Well, you can't freeload forever. I know. What's the job? Well, I wanted a job where I could build things, so... signed up for the Royal Guard. Marrlet? What? I don't... There's gotta be a better job out there. What's wrong with the Royal Guard? Besides building puzzles, all they do is sit around all day. Practically tailor-made for me. It isn't that simple. On rare occasions, guards have to do their job. Their real job. You're talking about humans, right? I'm aware. But come on! It's gotta be like a 0.1% chance I run into a human. And even if I did, I'm a good people person. Escorting them through the underground wouldn't be a problem. Humans are dangerous! Whoa. They cannot be trusted and certainly not escorted. Sorry, but you should not put yourself in harm's way. What do you mean? Surely they can't all be bad, right? Have you heard of the Snowden attack? Yeah. Well, I witnessed it. One of the bleakest days of my life. And veterans of the war, their stories, it had to be 10 times worse. Humans are merciless, incapable of decency in any form. Believe me. Triple dot. If it makes you feel better, I'm not posted anywhere near the hot spots. Well, it is a hot spot, but it's just lab duty. Guarding the Royal Scientist's almighty fortress? Yeah, that's all. Why don't we just call it a day? Yeah, probably for the best. Where are you off to in such a hurry? Oh, me? They look so weird next to each other. I'm still waiting on the new security budget, so in the meantime, I decided to move the lab cameras to Waterfall. Waterfall? And Snowden. Yeah, so keep watch until the lab surveillance is down, okay? Aye aye. Deep breaths, Marrlet. Deep breaths. Humans are dangerous and cannot be trusted. Humans are dangerous. Humans are dangerous. What do you think you're doing? I love this. I absolutely love this. Searching for a reason to hate me? Strange. You didn't need a reason when killing the others. I bet you feel real accomplished right now. But the only thing you've managed to accomplish is pissing me off even more. There's only one way this ends, and right now I feel invigorated. Good luck. Ah! Oh, fuck. So I have no items left, but... That's certainly something. Again. I just have to not take more than 20 health each turn, and theoretically I just win. The bird from Undertale. Oh, that's why you might not want to just endure, because you can actually fight her now. I'm doing just fine. You, however, you seem to be struggling. Sorry, but I won't let up. Fuck. I can't wait for some absolute madman to do this entire route like fucking damageless. You know it's gonna happen one day. It's just a matter of when and who. No, I checked! I just want to see how much this does. That is a significant margin, honestly.
Oh shit, sorry. I just faded back into existence.
Yes, you did. Hello, viewers. It is Red Overloaf here yet again. What's going on? Zero. No, I can handle it. I have to keep going. I'm going to win this battle. Okay, that would have been good to know about sooner rather than later.
And
oh my dude! No, oh my fucking damn it! I haven't really been talking much. Among Us PS4, I'm very much at the lock-in phase in my brain, but like, yeah, lock the fuck in. I swear, I have always taken at least 2 hits here. And I think that's probably because of how I play it, but I mean, shut up. Horrible, actually horrible. You know, really struggling here on this Valve 2.0 fight. Dude, it's like, it's so fucking difficult. Forever ago, in this playthrough, me and Brett argued about whether or not 2 health matters. I can see why 2 health would feel small in this particular fight.
The undertale attack, let's go.
This is gonna be like a 5-minute video if I do make it into a video because of how little commentary I'm making, but you know what? Whatever. Oh! Ooh, got to hit the second time. It's even funnier the second time! Genuinely, this is a very cool fight, and I really like the little story going on with Marrlet here. I am losing my mind, though. I'm going a little crazy. Mario make you go crazy. Go it?
It's another book for Mario.
I actually, like, low-key need bread here. Like, it's so much worse without a shoulder to cry on. Although without him here, I can set the mood again. You know what? Only for one attempt. What I find really funny about... Well, I probably need to shout to talk over it. What I find really funny about this initial video is the fact that the artist obviously just did not want to draw Undyne and, like, was only fucked to draw them, like, once. I find that really funny. Bruh moment! Bruh momento! Fuck! I want to wipe out the monster race. Whoa, I got no patience, I got no resolve. I was slaughtered, screw the dialogue. Pan, toy, knife, use a stick to take your life. Tough glove, ballet shoes, epic fight like front page news. King Asgore wants to collect human souls, 7 of them, it's his ultimate goal. Open the door to humanity's realm, start a new war, humans are win. I'm on the side and I've got a taste. I want to wipe out the monster race. Whoa, I got no patience, I got no resolve. I was slaughtered, screw the fuck this game.
Thanks for watching my Undertale parody. I hope you enjoyed it.
Did you guys know that this song, before the fucking, like, thanks for watching, there's a fucking tribute to a dog. This dog, cursed in its image, forever forced to have its name attached to Story of Undertale. Oh my god, Flowey battle for nothing. An entire dub of Undertale, but Flowey is voice acted, played by Spike Animations, Flowey, as seen in... Okay, I'm sorry, I had to fucking... I still have not done this hit list. I've gotten fucking agonizingly close, but I have not done that first attack hit list yet. You know, in El Hugonie's, like, Undertale Yellow music parody, there's another tribute to a dog, but more importantly, Shay, the fucking Undertale speedrunner, has the pinned comment on that video, and I actually am, like, so proud of him. He really earned it. What? I don't know. I ran out of bits after Story of Undertale, I'll be real. I wish I could fucking, like, a hat in time, like, time stop hat this shit.
Yeah.
Ah! Ah! Hi, Bread. Bruh! Bra memento!
Hooray!
And you beat this how?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm not really sure what tips I can give you.
How do I not fucking get overwhelmed immediately in any attack that isn't the standard meteor shower? That's kind of the advice I was looking for.
The dash button will always be a
Okay. Fair.
You stupid.
They're not.
What's 9 plus 10?
11.
You stupid.
This is my new PB. This is my new PB, and I'm so nervous. This is my first time reaching below half health, and it's still looking very hopeless. Why is it wearing off? Why is it wearing off? I don't want to die. I need more time. Ah! Oh, wait. It was this easy the whole time. It was that easy the whole time. I mean, it's probably not literally that easy, but that is a lot more effective of a strategy, I think. Dude, how is the video game supposed to work? I don't get it. Again, I guess. Fuck. More Undertale Yellow content, guys. Can you believe it, guys? Just a week away.
Oh, I bet you weren't expecting me now, were you?
Oh, goddamn. Shit! Ah! Ooh! Whew! This shit looks like baby talk, honestly, now that, like, I've seen the later fucking things of this fight. Sure, still 2 hits that I barely ever avoid. But goddamn. Honestly, my main mission here is to literally just stay at as high a health as possible constantly. I've gotten really good at that attack and, like, nothing else. Oh, well, good thing I got it twice then. I fucked it up. Wow. One thing I did notice is that it isn't Flowey speaking to us this time. I think this is Clover telling us to try again here. This is not Flowey saying try again. This is Clover saying try again. Dude, this fight, I will say, has a large, like, we're so over to we're so back, like, fluctuation rate. You can't win! You can't! Oh my god, that sucks. That sucks. Oh. Okay. Again. Okay, bad. Horrible, horrible shot. Horrible shot. Horrible, absolutely horrible.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I'm putting another controller on. Why did I do that? What possessed me to do that, do you think? Dude, oh my god! It's just like, I feel it, in a matter of attempts. At this point, it's not a question of if, it's a question of when. Dude, I don't understand the hitboxes on those things, I'll be real. Ugh. Dude, I keep picturing this one image of a cat, and I'm probably not even going to include me saying this in the edit. I'm more just saying this so editing me can do it. But on the winning attempt, I want to put the fucking lock the fuck in cat that I keep imagining during these attempts. Okay, that was greed, I'll admit. And that was definitely bad greed. I'm not even gonna argue that that was a good choice, because it wasn't. But, you know... Sometimes I get greedy, and that's just how it be. God damn it. This fight would be fucking impossible without the endure option, by the way. God damn it.
So funny.
No, look, don't talk right now, please. Don't talk right now. Don't talk right now. Okay? I'm sorry, just don't. Yes! Oh my god! Woo! Oh my god! Yes! Yes, 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 yes! Oh, I'm overjoyed. I'm overjoyed. Oh, I'm overjoyed. I'm overjoyed. I'm overjoyed. I'm overjoyed. I'm overjoyed. I'm overjoyed. I am overjoyed. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh, yes. Oh, okay, we're still recording. Good. Okay. I gotta do the voice now. How many more? How many until you're satisfied? We only took 5. You've taken dozens. You aren't just... All you are is a self-serving maniac. I hope you... No! Please! What do I do? Stop! Someone! Help! Oh! Level 20! Yes! Oh! Hey, Brad? Okay. Oh. Hey, just as a quick heads up, the rest of this video is going to be my, although slightly edited, reaction to the genocide ending of Undertale Yellow. What else did you think it would be? Again, if you want to click off here, since it's not going to be as action-packed or edit-focused, but, you know, if you want to keep watching, then you can. Yay! Whippy! Yoo-hoo! Wah! Wah! Beep! Beep! Bah! Bah! Great! This is just great! Do you know how much attention this will bring on us? The entire underground is going to put up its defenses. I'm sure the castle is full on lockdown thanks to your recklessness. No, this won't do. You're going to make this right, got that? You may have a shiny new ability, but that doesn't change a thing. Go to the castle and smash its walls down, tear it apart. Do whatever it takes to get me my souls. Hey now. I meant your souls, you know that. You idiot! What do you think we're doing? Fine! Looks like this is gonna be another dead end. Uh-oh. What is this? What's going on? You're gonna put a knife in my back? I'm the only reason you ever made it out of the ruins! Your best friend! Your only friend! Well, you know what? I've never been above betrayals either. Huh? Huh? I hate you. Every second that passes I'm with you is more miserable than the last. And it's always been that way. The only time I enjoyed myself is when I got to watch you die. Hundreds of deaths, endlessly gruesome, endlessly satisfying. When I look at you, I don't see a brave hero or whatever you pretend to be. All I see are those beloved memories replaying over and over and over and over. And you want to know the best part? Even if you kill me, I know how this ends. There's never any escaping it. That castle may as well be a coffin because you're already dead. You hear that? You're dead. Dead. Me after one rip of the Bong of the Ancients. Dude, oh my god. Clearly we caused quite a ruckus here. My. Look at all this commotion. Look at all this commotion. Oh, so crass. Oh. There's some food here. Some monster candy. Let me just... Nothing but the echoes of your efforts linger. You are filled with a sense of justice. Oh, that goes hard. Pure and utter justice. Even though, you know, none of these guys deserved it, but, you know. Not of interest. Not of interest. Okay, the game's telling me move the fuck along. Not of interest. Damn. Where am I gonna get my punch card from now? Can you imagine if you just had to battle Sans after that? That's what you did all this for. Did it for them. Not for me. I would never murder for my own... The underground is full of beauty. Friends, families, hopes, dreams. Or at least it was. Though valiant they fought, nobody could stop you, could they? I had hoped this day wouldn't come. Retaliation was inevitable, but I believed we could handle it as we always have. My dear friends, I am sorry. I know why you are here, but I'm afraid it's too late. Your goal is out of reach. Monsterkind's plight is not something I take pride in, but it is a conflict not of our making. One thing is certain, however. Your violence has ensured this war never to end. Many more, both our kinds, will perish because of this day. Such is the path you chose. But even if you chose differently, the unfortunate truth of the matter is your fate was sealed the moment you entered my kingdom. Oops. Oh. We will rebuild. And with the help of your soul, we will be free. Goodbye. Fucking gone. Destroyed. This is so cool. Video game. Oh my god, that was the video game. Oh my god. Oh my god. That fucking bird that I actually really, I still really like her even after she tortured me in that boss fight. I forgot her name, but I really like her. There's someone with an M. It rhymes with Margaret, because I'd always make the joke about, I'd always make the regular show joke. Now, something's supposed to happen if I open up the game again. Yep. It's nothing. Alright. Well, I'll get the passive ending again on my own accord, because why not? I want my happy ending, goddammit. Anyway, bye!